Hi all, I am Monica. Today chapter 14 is about pseudocode. As we all discussed some topics related to pseudocode in previous section, now we continue the more topics in pseudocode in this chapter. What we are covering in this chapter: pseudocode control structures, sequence, selection, and repetition. Sequence control structure. The sequence control structure is simply a sequence of steps to be executed in a linear order. Here is the basic syntax of the sequence control structure. Step 1, step 2, step 3 and so on. Here is the example of sequence pseudocode. Step 1, begin. Step 2, get two numbers. Step 3, store in number 1 and number 2. Step 4, calculate number 1 plus number 2. Step 5, output of sum. Step 6, end. Selection control structure. If else. If a statement condition is true, then part is executed. Otherwise, else part is executed. Here is the syntax of if else statement. If when the condition is true, then the statement in the if block is executed. Otherwise, the statement in the else block is executed. If else structure example, eligibility to vote. If age is greater than 17, display a message indicating you can vote. Else, display a message indicating you can't vote. And if. Here is the flowchart representation of eligibility to vote. Age is greater than 17. If the condition is true, then display you can vote. If condition is false, then display you can't vote. Switch statement. A case or switch statement is a type of selection control mechanism used to allow the value of a variable or expression to change the control flow of a program execution via multi-way branch. Switch statement tests the value of a variable and compares it with multiple cases. Each case in a block of a switch has a multiple name or number, which is referred to as an identifier. Here is the syntax of the switch statement. Case expression of condition 1 statement 1, condition 2 statement 2 and so on, condition n statement n. Others default statements. The value provided by the user is compared with all the cases inside the switch block until the match is found. Here is the example of switch case. Case of age 0 to 17 display you can't vote. 18 to 64 display you are in your working years. 65 plus display you should be retired. End case. Here is the flowchart representation of case of age. If age matches the condition 0 to 17, then display you can't vote. If age matches the condition 18 to 64, then you display you are in the working years. If age matches the 65 years plus condition, then display you should be retired. Iteration control structure. While condition. A while loop is used to repeat a specific block of code an unknown number of times until a condition is met. The loop is entered only if the condition is true. Here is the syntax of while condition. While of condition, statement 1, statement 2 and so on end. While loop example. Count assigned 0. While count is less than 5, display I love computers. Increment count. End while. Here is the flowchart representation of count assigned 0. If count is less than 5, display I love computers. Then increment the count. Again repeat the process of count is less than 5. If the condition is false, then exit the loop. For loop. A for loop is used to repeat a specific block of code a known number of times. A for loop is specifying iteration which allows code to be executed repeatedly. Here is the syntax of for loop. For iteration bounds, sequence, and for. For loop example. For x starts at 0, x less than 5, increment x. Display are we having fun? And for. Here is the flowchart representation of for loop. X is less than 5. If the condition is true, then display are we having fun? Then increment x by 1. and check the condition again by x is less than 5. This process repeats until the condition fails. If the condition is false, then we will exit from the loop. Do while. A do while loop is similar to while loop with one exception that it executes the statements inside the loop of do while before checking the condition. Syntax of do while. Do statement 1, statement 2 and so on while of condition. Example of do while. Count assigned 5. Do display blast off is soon. Decrement count while count is greater than 0. Here is the flowchart representation of count assigned 5. Count is assigned to 5, then display blast off is soon, then decrement the count and checks the condition of count is greater than 0. If the condition is true, then it will repeat the process. If the condition is false, then it will be exit from the loop. Repeat until. The repeat until loop is a loop that executes a block of statements repeatedly until a given condition evaluates to true. The condition will be re-evaluated at the end of each iteration of the loop, allowing code inside the loop to affect the condition in order to terminate it. Here is the syntax of repeat until. Repeat, sequence, until condition. Example of repeat until. Count assigned 5. Repeat, display blast off is soon. Decrement count until count is less than 1. Here is a flowchart representation of count assigned to 5. Count is assigned to 5, then display blast off is soon. Decrement the count. Count is less than 1. It checks the condition of count is less than 1. If it is false, then it will repeat the process again. If condition is true, then it will get out of the loop. End of the chapter 14 pseudocode. Thank you.